Welcome to Constera, NVIDIA's Fugatto, an AI that could turn music into madness, or a masterpiece. So there you are, chilling and listening to your favorite tune. Everything's going smoothly. And then, the drums start croaking, the trumpet purrs, and the vocals morph into a synthetic alien choir. No, this isn't a glitch or the result of 3 sleepless nights. This is Fugatto, NVIDIA's latest AI creation. This musical AI can generate sounds that never existed before. Need a squeaky voice with a hint of digital soul? Easy. Want to hear a guitar that sounds like a laser beam?
No problemo.
Fugatto doesn't just synthesize new timbres, it adjusts vocal emotions, alters accents, and even integrates bizarre sound effects straight into your track. But here's the kicker. This thing can even jump into an existing piece of music and completely change it. Imagine taking a classic Beatles track and turning it into a techno remix without a DJ's touch. Or on the flip side, turning a club banger into a vintage ballad with a lute. NVIDIA claims Fugatto will be a game changer for composers, producers, and sound engineers, speeding up their work and helping them discover new musical ideas.
But there's a catch.
A too powerful AI, too many risks. On one hand, it sounds amazing. On the other hand, Fugatto's audio manipulation is so good that it's raising some serious concerns. Can it be used to fake celebrities' voices or create new tracks with the vocals of deceased artists? NVIDIA is keeping Fugatto in the lab for now, reluctant to release it to the public. The company is probably worried that in the wrong or right hands, Fugatto could become a weapon of musical chaos. Meanwhile, musicians and sound engineers are holding their breath. Will Fugatto be the next step in music evolution, or will it end up replacing live artists altogether? While we wait for Fugatto to drop, all we can do is imagine. What if this thing lands in the hands of cover song lovers? What if tomorrow we hear Frank Sinatra rapping, or Rammstein performing Kalinka? Although,